Welcome back to WatchAdvisor, where the latest watches are the stars. And the stars of today's video are new Glashütte Original Serenade Luna timepieces. Glashütte Original expands its Serenade Luna line with 4 new models, and we are lucky to have had the chance to see and film 3 of them. And this is my first impression. The timepieces are true contemporary ladies' watches. I see a trend now that watchmakers are increasingly working on women's models, making them sophisticated not only in terms of design, but also by integrating their best know-how and craftsmanship. And Glashütte Original is one of the best examples. Let's dive deeper into my arguments why new Glashütte Original models deserve your attention.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
For me, there are 2 factors. The first one is obvious because I'm a woman. It's the design, the high-grade colors, amazingly elaborated dial, and the possibility to personalize the watch by easily changing the straps. And the second, I am truly happy to see a solid mechanical movement made in best traditions of Glashütte Original integrated into these beautiful ladies' watches. But I would like to talk about it in more detail later. And obviously, I would like to emphasize the excellent design, including handmade dials and high-end detailing. At this stage, let me introduce the Serenade Luna variations we were able to hold in our hands. It's a model featuring a red gold case and diamonds on the bezel in combination with a radiant blue dial and diamonds as our markers, rounded off by a matching radiant blue alligator leather strap. A bicolor model featuring a white mother-of-pearl dial and diamonds on the bezel, as well as diamonds as our markers, all enriched with a bold orange alligator leather strap. And last but not least, a bicolor model with diamonds as our markers, combined with a rose alligator leather strap. Each variation brings its own personality, depending on your taste and outfits you would like to combine the watch with. And at first sight, I fell in love with the model featuring the orange leather strap. Eye-catching, fresh, and classy. I was impressed how bold but still elegant the watch appeared. Trying on the radiant blue dial model, I thought first, a beautiful, refined dress watch, and it will have an amazing light interplay, for example, during candlelight dinner. I was enchanted wearing it with a classic white blouse and jeans. In my eyes, a true casual elegance. Nothing more to add. For those who like understatement and quiet luxury, the bicolor model with a pink strap would be your perfect choice. It's pure, relaxed, and can be easily combined with jewelry made both in rose gold and white gold. Not to talk the whole video about my outfits, there is something very special about these watches, and this is the Moonphase. In watchmaking, moonphases are something magical, representing a romantic complication. Integrating it into a watch shows a high level of know-how and craftsmanship. But going back to Glashütte Original, Serenade Luna models have a special moonphase. Instead of common in the industry 2 moons on a disc, it has 4 circular representations of a starry sky made of Tahitian mother of pearl. The respective moon phase is formed from the overlap of the moon window, which is accentuated by a small shiny ring. I love the small details on the dial. To set the moon phase, you have to pull the crown into the first position and turn it clockwise. And here comes a fantastic specification. The moon phase is precise to 1 day in 122 years. One more time. 1 day in 122 years. So It means a complication you could wear your entire life and it would remain true without doing anything. You would ask me, Marina, what's inside the watch? The watches come with an integrated mechanical movement, the famous caliber 35 of Glashütte Original. Every model has a 60 hours power reserve, so you don't have to think about winding your watch every morning. If you leave it in your safe over the weekend, the watch will still be running on Monday. There is an integrated silicone balance spring, which makes the watches resistant to temperature fluctuations and magnetic fields. And the watches are water resistant up to 3 bar, which means you can wash your hands without any risk of water damage. Turn the watch over and admire the movement decorations Glashütte Original is known for. The famous Glashütte 3/4 plate with stripe finish, hand-polished bevels on the edges, blue screws shining in deep tones. And for the first time in this collection, a solid gold rotor engraved with a delicate shell pattern. And think about the fact that all this technology and beauty is fitted into a 8.9 millimeter thick case with a 32.5 millimeter diameter. Another measurement that could be interesting for you to know is the dial aperture. The dial aperture is the diameter of the dial. In other words, how big is the opening of the dial. On this watch, we measure 26 mm of dial aperture, which is, in comparison to the diameter of 32 mm of the case, makes for a very sleek and elegant look. A lug-to-lug distance, that is, the distance of one lug end to the other end of the lug, is 36 millimeters. So you can imagine how the watch would sit on your wrist. And my general impression is, these models will perfectly fit even the smallest wrist and appear elegant and comfortable. What I definitely like about these watches is that they can be easily personalized with the help of a range of colorful leather straps with integrated folding clasps. So a lady could buy several different colors she likes and adjust the watch to her outfits just perfectly. And for those who don't know, Glashütte Original is a master in leather straps and high-end colors. But, if you prefer a less colorful look, you can also have the watch with a stainless steel bracelet. Also a very good choice that goes well with a lot of different outfit combinations. I would also like to show you how easy it is to change the leather straps. You don't have to take your watch to the watchmaker. You can do this at home very easily. I will use our famous plastic pointer, but only because it's more tricky to do with gloves. But you don't need any special tools to change the straps. You can do this with your hands. Behind the straps, in between the lugs, there is a little handle. You just have to pull on it and the strap comes off smoothly. See how easy it is? You just have to be careful not to lose the spring bar inside the leather strap. And the same on the other side. You just pull on the little handle and now you have completely removed the strap and you have only the watch head. We do the same for the other watch. And to attach them, you do the same thing. I will even show you that I can do it with gloves. That's how easy it is. The only thing is, you have to first insert the end of the spring bar inside the hole that is on the inner side of the lug. And then you pull on the handle, align the spring bar to the other hole in the lug and let go. Actually, you should hear it if you have inserted it correctly. And then the strap will be secure and you will have a new look on your watch. Amazing system that Glashütte Original has integrated to just make your life easier and more beautiful. I would like to add the prices. Yes, they have prices, of course. The price for the Serenade Luna with the combination of stainless steel and red gold without diamonds is 13,000 Swiss francs, including taxes. If you prefer to have your watch with diamonds, The bicolor model has a price of 16,100 Swiss francs, including taxes. And the price for the watch in a red gold case with a red and blue dial is 21,500 Swiss francs, including taxes. And last but not least, this watch is also available with a white mother of pearl dial, but you will have to pay 500 Swiss francs more. So the total price for this version is 22,000 Swiss francs, including taxes. One more addition I would like to say. Go to the boutique and experience the watches. Very important. Just take the watches and try them on. It's so beautiful to have such a diversity to choose from and to be able to change the look of the watches so easily. Like I said at the beginning, these Glashütte Original Serenade Luna watches are true contemporary ladies' watches. They have a great modern automatic movement, the design and all finishings are beautifully done, and the range of leather straps to choose from make wearing these watches a true pleasure, believe me. Thank you very much for watching this video. As always, we are looking forward to reading your comments. Let us know what you think about these Serenade Luna watches. Which one is your favorite? Let us know. Goodbye, bye-bye, and see you soon here on our channel.